Guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add product images and galleries in Shopify. So first of all, open your app and go to the store icon. Click the apps icon and click add app. Okay, you can install app from here. Okay, just go to the app you want and click the install button. As I added Panda product gallery. Okay, so when I click on it, here we are. Okay, here is the option of create new gallery. Click on the option. Okay, and write the name of the gallery like wrist watches. Okay, gallery type, select the gallery type, manual gallery, column. Okay, some features are premium but others are free. Okay, choose our choose overall styles like I want second or third. Okay, you can customize by your own way like borders, border radius, display box, shadow. Okay, each and everything. When you change your desired changes, click the save option. And here it is just added. You can see your gallery by this button. Okay, it look like this. So it's end for now. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Take care.